We are on lesson 32. We are going to be subtracting a fraction from a mixed number. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first problem is 3 3/4 minus 1/4. Now here, I know that I will not need to regroup my whole because 3/4 is bigger than 1/4. So my whole stays the same, and then I just need to look at this here. I know that 3/4 minus 1/4 is 2/4. Easy, all right? But we're going to get a little bit more difficult, where we're going to have to do a little bit of regrouping, but not yet. 4 7/10 minus 3/10. All right? Looking at my fractions, I know that 7/10 is bigger than 3/10, so I won't need to do any regrouping. All right? So that is equal to 4 4/10, because 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay? So the whole number stayed the same. Now let's look at one where we need to do some regrouping. We have 5 1/3 minus 2/3. Now here, 1/3 is smaller than 2/3, so I'm going to need to regroup a little bit. Let's talk about what that looks like. I know that if I broke 2/3 apart, I'd have 1/3 plus 1/3, right? So here, if I take away a third and a third, I still have 5 minus 1/3 left. See it? I took the 2/3, I took away 1/3 here, 1/3 here, and now I have just 5 minus 1/3. I'm now going to take this 5, I'm going to write a little bit neater, 5 minus 1/3, and I'm going to break up this 5 into a whole and equal parts, okay? So then I know my whole is going to be 4, and 3/3 minus 1/3 is 2/3. All right, so we had to do a little bit of regrouping there. Let's try another one where we have to regroup. Let's do 9 3/5 minus 4/5. Looking at our fractions, 3/5 is less than 4/5, so I'm going to have to do some regrouping. Let's first take care of this 3/5. So 4/5 is equal to 3/5 and 1/5. 3/5 minus 3/5. Now I just need to subtract 1 more 5th. All right? Let's do that breakup again. So we've got a 9 becomes an 8 5/5. Remember, 5/5 is equal to a whole, so 8 and 1 is 9, okay? And then all I have to do is I know my whole will be 8, and 5/5 minus 1/5 is 4/5. All right, let's look at that one more time. Let's do 10 1/6 minus 4/6. All right, so here I know that 1/6 is smaller than 4/6. So since 1/6 is smaller than 4/6, I'm going to have to do some regrouping. Let's first break up the 4/6. So I have 4/6 is equal to 1/6 and 3 more 6. Okay, take care of that first 1/6. Now I just have 10 minus 3/6 left. So if I have 10 minus 3/6, I break up the 10 into 9, 1 less than 10, and 6, 6. All right? So my whole is going to be 9, and what's left? 3, 6, because 6, 6 minus 3, 6 is 3, 6. Here are 3 problems for you to try for homework tonight. You have, first one, 4 1/2 minus 1/2. You have 5 1/3 minus 2/3. And the last one I would like you to do is 2 3/8 minus 5/8. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.